Hey guys, I'm here with Jody from Vintage VW Sales. He was nice enough to drive out his beautiful magazine featured 67 for us today. We're going to do some driving and he's going to show us the 67 only stuff on this car as well. So happy to have Jody here.
Thanks for inviting me up.
It's only 15 degrees as usual.
A little chilly
little chilly, but we're going to work with it. So without further ado, I'm going to let Jody take it over and show us this 67. All right, Jody, give us the history of this beautiful 67.
67 sunroof deluxe Beetle. I've owned it for about 19 years now. Finished it VW blue with the platinum leatherette interior, as Volkswagen called it. It's a matching numbers car. Restored now for about probably the last 12 years now, and got roughly 17,000 miles on it since it's been rebuilt. Came with the factory pop-out windows according to the birth certificate from Volkswagen Museum, and has all those unique 67 only features.
Yeah, we're gonna go over those in a second.
And it's riding on bias ply tires, which gives a unique ride feel. It had radials on it for a while,
yeah,
but had to have the look, so put the bias plies back on there.
Now this car was featured in what magazine?
This was in Hot VW's magazine in 2014, the July issue, the vintage special.
Guys, I don't know if the video will do this car justice, but I gotta tell you, this is one fantastic 67 Beetle.
It was a California car, so super solid. Somehow it ended up in Rhode Island back in the, I'm gonna guess, 80s. Came from Berkeley, California. The original rear bumper had the parking stickers from Berkeley University plastered on the back from 67 all the way to 83. So somebody owned it for a while.
Oh wow.
We got the original tools, we got an original Volkswagen belt.
Very nice. Take us through some of the 1 year only stuff on the 67s.
67, they started incorporating some safety things. One of them is the rubber plastic knobs that you'll see on the window handles and on the headlights and wipers, radio knob. All got that rubber treatment. That was new and improved safety items. Another thing is the seat belts. It's a lap belt. That was the first year and the only year to have that type of seat belt. This was new for 67. Mid-year through, they put the little recliner switch up here. They were down low in 66 and prior. The door lock knobs, this was the first year that they put the locks in there. And these were unique to 67.
With that door closed.
The door handle started in late 66. That was a carryover into 67, along with the wheels and the flat hubcaps. Then when you get to the back of the car, you see a lot of unique 67 parts. The rear apron, There's a 67 only. The engine lid. We have the dual snorkel air cleaner. This little bracket that reinforces the air cleaner to the carburetor. We got a 1-year only generator with the push-on terminals. And because you have the dual snorkel air cleaner, the rear breastplate is unique, and I believe the pulley cover is too.
Beautiful motor. And the reverse lights.
The reverse lights and the overrider bars, which are a little shorter on this side than this side. That started mid-year 67. This car was built at the end of December 66.
Nice.
So it has a lot of those mid-year features on it. This car came from Berkeley area, California. It's got a Claremont Hotel parking sticker here. I researched that. That's still around today.
Nice.
And this crossed the Mexican border back in December of 67.
Oh, wow.
That's still on there.
That's awesome. This is a great example of a 67. We're gonna go warm up and take it for a cruise. I hope you enjoyed Jody's beautiful 67 as much as I did. Jody's gonna get his 67 back home, back in the garage where it belongs. I appreciate you bringing it out.
Thanks for having me.
It's
a good day.
It's a good
Even
day.
though it was cold.
It was a little cold.
A little cold, but
Hour-and-a-half drive in the 67.
she made it no problem.
No problem. And if you're looking for a Volkswagen, Jody also has a, was it a Facebook page?
Facebook page, Vintage Volkswagen Sales on Facebook. And, you know, we buy, sell, and I also will cut keys for the vintage Volkswagens. If you have a project without keys, or if you have a set of door locks or door handles without keys, all you're going to do is give me the code, and I can cut a set of keys for you.
Nice.
Original style. I have, you know, generic style too as well. You know, depends on what you're looking for, but we can take care of it.
Nice. He's gonna do my SL42 for me. So.
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
Great. Thanks again.
Thank you. Awesome car. I loved it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Well, Jody's already at it. He's got my ignition, and he found my key code, which is on the side of the ignition.
That's all you got to do is look for the code there, and I'll match it up with my books and cut him a set of keys for this.
Nice.
And then you'll see if all your door handles match.
Nice.
Which it probably should, because this looks like a pretty original bus.
Yeah. Appreciate it.
Cool.
So get a hold of Jody if you need it.
It's that easy.
Yeah. Instead of going the aftermarket eBay $15 switch and
then nothing
works.
And,
exactly.
You know, yep.
That's good stuff. Appreciate it.
Cool.
Hey guys, so I didn't have my microphone on for this, but I just want to show you, there's the Beetle, what Jody started with, and there's the finished product as you've already seen. Here's the magazine he was in, July, Hot VWs 2014. And what's really ironic about this is that I went to the Bug Show in June of 2014 and then went and purchased a magazine and it was that magazine. I have this magazine somewhere. I will find it. So I thought that was really cool. But there's this car in Hot VWs. How cool is that? Very, very cool. Beautiful car. Thank you, Jody, for bringing it out again. It's a great day.